Okay, we're on the Unit 7 review sheet, topic 19D, question 36. So our first step here, when I see that I have a table like this, and it says best fit model, I know I'm going to be using my stat button on my calculator, which is right here. My first step is always stat edit. So stat and then edit to put my data in. So my X values, these go in L1. My Y values go in L2. Make sure that they're even. Make sure you don't have extra L2 or extra L1. And then make sure you put them in correctly. So once you have your data in, you go to Stat Calc. Now, I need to know the best fit model. So when I'm looking at this, what I'm looking at is my R squared value. So you also need to make sure your diagnostics are on your calculator. So if you don't see an R squared value, you're going to need to go back and turn on your diagnostics. It means someone has cleared your calculator. So this one right here, if I look at this, this is linear. So my linear R squared value I'm going to get by going down here to 4, where it says linear regression. Enter, 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 enter. Tells us where to plug things in, but there's our R squared. So my R squared here is 0.619, so not great. So then let's look at our next one, so stat calc. So you can see here it's linear, quadratic, cubic, quartic. So this one is quartic because my highest power is 4. So we're going to go, so again, this is quartic. So enter, 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 enter. And let's see. We have to go down a little bit. It says on this one that my R squared is 0.9997. We'll round there. Okay, so that's definitely better than linear. So we know it's not going to be linear. We can cross off linear. Okay, this one is cubic, x cubed. So we've got a cubic. We're going to need to find the R squared. So we go stat calc cubic is number 6. And it tells me my R squared is 0.9924. So still, this one is better. So I'm going to cross off this one. And then lastly, this one is exponential. So we're going to go down. There we go. Enter, 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 enter. So this one's exponential. And we see that my R squared is 0.99999. So it is better than this one, right? This fourth value here is a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. My fourth value here is a 9. So this one is exponential. That's our best fit model. And again, I got that by comparing my R squared values. So you do need to be able to identify what kind they are to get those R squared values. You need to know when you see this that that's linear. This is cubic, this is quartic, and this is exponential. And then you just go to your stat, calc, and whichever one it happens to be to get your R squared.